Hello everyone and welcome back to Jeffy Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing a new kind of snack crate. Well, new to me. This is the MunchPak snack crate and this is the mini size. I'm really excited about this box because it came with a little smile on the front and I just think it's the cutest thing ever. Also, when we open this up, you guys will be so blown away at the snacks. So I didn't realize when I ordered this that these snacks are supposed to be from around the world, which is kind of cool. And because of that, they're a lot more interesting than I was expecting, and I'm so excited to try these. The first item in our crate made me laugh. I mean, it made me laugh so hard, and I sent this photo to a bunch of people of it because it's just so funny to me that they would be chips. Here we have the rap snack icon, Notorious B.I.G. Cookout Barbecue Chip. I've never seen anything like this in my life before. I like barbecue chips, so I'm also, excited to try these, but just the packaging is so funny. I might hold on to this and save it as a gag gift for someone because I don't know, I've just never seen a wrapper on chips before. The next snack here is the ZG Marinated Nuts. Special edition, marinated in cheese. I'm not big on peanuts, but I'm trying this with camera. So there's a little peanut. I don't think cheddar cheese belongs on peanuts. Next item we have is the Finny Roller Candy. And to me this looks like a mix between a fruit roll-up and those Sour Patch straw things. That's exactly what it looks like. Alright, then after that we have the Kokomo chocolate-filled biscuits. And I feel like I've had chocolate-filled biscuits before, but I've never heard of this company. I usually get the ones with the little koala bears on it. They look almost identical except for they're missing the bear. Those are good. Our last item in our mini box is the Hanuta Hazelnut Schneid. It's that. And this looks super delicious. My favorite part of these videos is getting to take a bite out of each and every snack. Okay, this is cool. It comes with 2 pieces. And it kind of just looks like a cookie with chocolate on the inside. I feel like we have these in the US. They're just not as filled in the middle. They're just lightly filled in the middle with some wafers. These taste 100% like the wafers we have in our country, down to the filling. But this filling is just so thick compared to what you would see in our wafers. I would say it's 3 or 4 times as thick, so it's just a bunch of icing. It's really good though. It's very chocolate. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love doing these food videos, so we will probably be doing some more in the near future. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe so I can see you again. Until next time, bye.